Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on setting up Active Directory and Office 365 integration in Bold BI. In this video, we will see how to register web and mobile applications in Azure Active Directory, set up the application in Bold BI, import users, perform single sign-on for users, and log into the Bold BI application. Let's start with setting up an Azure Active Directory in Bold BI. First, click the Settings tab available in the left navigation bar and select Authentication. Choose Azure Active Directory tab here. You will need to configure Active Directory user directories to import and synchronize users and groups. Let's see how to get tenant name, client ID, and client secret from the Azure portal and set it up here. Go to the Azure portal and enter your Azure Active Directory. Here, you will find the tenant name of your directory. Copy and paste it in the Bold BI application. To set up the client ID and client secret, register the web application in your Azure Active Directory. Go to the Azure portal and navigate to the App Registrations. Click New Registration, provide the name for the application, choose the Multi-Tenant option, and select Web under the Redirect URI section. Then set the URL HTTP localhost and click Register. Now, your application has been registered in your Azure Active Directory, and you can view the details in the application in the App Registrations. Select Branding from the left side menu, enter the homepage URL, and click Save. Now select Authentication from the left side menu and save Implicit Grant and support account types. Then select Expose an API from the left side menu and save Application ID URI. It must be in the format HTTP tenant name / application ID. From the application overview, click the client ID or application ID and paste it in the Bold BI application. To get the client secret, click Certificates and Secrets from the left side of the Azure portal and add a client secret by clicking the New Client Secret option. Provide the description and click Add. Now, copy the client secret generated and paste it in the Bold BI application. Before proceeding to save the configuration, we need to set additional permissions to the application created in the Azure portal. To do this, click API Permissions in the application and select Add a Permission. Select Microsoft Graph from the list. Provide access to redirectory and application permissions, plus redirectory, groups, user profile, and access directory as assigned in user permissions for delegated permissions, and click Add Permissions. Similarly, select Add Permission and choose Azure Active Directory Graph from the list. Provide access to redirectory and application permissions and redirectory and access directory as the signed-in user permission for delegated permissions and click Add Permissions. Now allow access to grant admin consent for Bold BI. We have now set the required permissions for setting up Azure Active Directory for Bold BI. Let me test the connection in Bold BI by clicking Test Connection. Once the connection is successful, save the Active Directory by clicking Save. You will have the option to synchronize the Azure Active Directory with the Bold BI application. This option will synchronize your Active Directory based on your schedule. Once you have enabled the Azure AD schedule synchronization and set the schedule, Bold BI will synchronize user and group details with the Azure Active Directory server. It will delete the deleted user from the Azure Active Directory server by synchronizing it. Bold BI will also delete the user from the Bold BI group if the user has been deleted from the Azure Active Directory group, and will add the user if a user has been added. If the new user is not present in Bold BI, then a new user account will be created and added to the group. Let's see how to import Office 365 users and groups into the Bold BI application. To do this, go to the Users tab in the left navigation bar, click New User, and choose Import from Azure AD. Search for an Office 365 user, select the user listed, and click Import to import the user into the Bold BI application. Bold BI will import the chosen user, and a confirmation message will be displayed as shown here. Similarly, you can import Active Directory groups by following the same steps. Now, you will need to perform the single sign-on or SSO for short, for users in the Azure Active Directory with Bold BI. Make sure that you have to log in with admin credentials. Log in with the URL/UMS/administration/SAML settings. Enable SSO option and update the settings here. Next, let's see how to configure the settings for SSO. For Application ID, go to the registered web application in the Azure portal and click Overview. And then, copy the application ID and paste it. Similarly, copy and paste the application ID URI. Go to the home page of the Azure Active Directory and copy the tenant name under Overview. For Mobile App Client ID, you have to register another mobile application in your Azure Active Directory. Go to the Azure portal and navigate to the App Registrations. Click New Registration, provide the name for the application, and choose the multi-tenant option. Select Public Client/Native and select the URL as HTTP localhost, and then click Register. Now your application has been registered in your Azure Active Directory, and you can view the details in the application in the App Registrations. Select Branding from the left side menu and enter the homepage URL and click Save. Select Expose an API from the left side menu and save Application ID URI. It must be in the format HTTP tenant name / application ID. From the application overview, copy the client ID or application ID from the created mobile application and paste it under the mobile app client ID in the Bold BI application. Now, click Save. After the values are saved, the application will restart to apply the settings. Once you have imported the user and performed SSO, you can log in with that user after verifying their email. Before logging into the Bold BI application, the user will be asked to accept the permissions as shown in the screen. The user needs to accept the permissions to allow the Azure Active Directory application to authenticate all other users. After accepting this request, you can log into the Bold BI application and start working in it. In this video, we had a quick overview of how to register web and mobile applications in Azure Active Directory, set up an application in Bold BI, import an Office 365 user, perform single sign-on for users, and log into the Bold BI application. To learn more about setting up Active Directory and all other actions, you can check the documentation links provided in this video's description. Leave a comment if you need any clarifications or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.